So not only do we support object recognition, we support object rotation. So in this scenario, this particular content pops up. I can rotate this puck, and at 180 degrees, brand new content pops out. So I can come in, ink, highlight, and at the same time, rotate, jump into a completely different scenario, zoom in, and interact. This is perfect for customer presentations that are complex. For example, here's a scenario for kitchen layouts. I might have a specific kitchen right here. I have a design philosophy, and then I have all of the tiles that went in, but now I want to show you a different concept. I can rotate, suddenly I can show you the same kitchen in modern with different content. So now this particular puck can easily support 360 degrees worth of resolution, but in principle, dozens of different scenarios can be baked in to one puck. So very easily, we can jump from scenario to scenario, and at the same time, I can zoom in, I can zoom out, and I can focus, I can ink, I can highlight, I can write.